nabalitaan ko lately na top-rated ka na sa Ay, top-rated.
Updated.
Ngayon ka lang ba naging top?
I mean, I've been bottom for like erase data. I mean,
Paano
sa
ba ganun?
Upwork,
Yung, di ba,
yeah,
nabalitaan namin na top-rated ka na sa Upwork. And personally ako, wala pa akong na-meet na top-rated sa Upwork. Ikaw pa lang. So, sino ka dyan? So, ano yung,
journey.
what was the journey like becoming, ang tawag dito, top-rated? O ano
Mm.
yung niche mo sa Upwork? Marketing?
More on sales and digital marketing. So, for may mga requirements kasi need mong ma-hit for you to become top rated in Upwork. First is need mo mag-earn ng $20K dollars, so mga 1 mil.
Sa ano yun? Cumulative na yan.
Oo. Tapos, need mo mag-feedback at least mga 400 stars something. Like, perfect feedbacks ba from Upwork.
I see.
Tapos, need mo ng at least one long-term client na medyo matagal na. Like,
Mm-mm.
hindi lang papalit-palit pa. Like, siguro at least mga 1 year to stay in that client and would pay you like a great amount. Then you could become top rated. Kasi madami akong
Wow.
matagal na sa Upwork, hindi sila naging top rated kasi paiba-iba sila ng client. Like, after a month, iba na hindi ka
I
nakaka-establish
see.
pa.
So,
Like,
longevity din ay isang factor to becoming top-rated.